parts. Let's take the plastics off and then get to work. Alright, so here's my intake setup, if you can see it. So instead of buying the Chimera or whatever they call it, I used intercooler coupling that goes from 1.5 inches to 2 inches, and then this is a Nibby racing carb extension just to a double element foam filter for now. I'll put a K&N for right on the street. And then once the plastic's clipped on, tucks up right there, and then I trimmed out the side panel, so of course side ventilation. So we'll see how that pairs with the exhaust that's coming and the ECU. So one of the first things you should always do, put an NGK in your bike. There's the number. This guy obviously ran some sort of cheap Chinese plug. So, a little rich. It's also the wrong plug. The length was not what this was. So, I'm just going to see if that works. Alright, so headlights back on, seats back on. Next step. Get rid of these god-awful bars. So, take the levers, take the throttle, take off the bar clamps, take off the brake levers, clutch lever, hand controls, and then ugly mirrors are gone, new mirrors, new bars, new levers. Alright, so what a big difference the bars make. I didn't put the cross brace in. I'm not going to jump this thing. I'm going to ride on the street, so I'm not going to stress the bars a whole lot. Just spent some time getting it all dialed, how I want my levers. Not sold on the bar end mirrors. I may try to find something that just fills the stock location. And, yeah, kind of making it my own now. So, hear what the intake sounds like. Still stock exhaust.